Hi, good morning. First aisle, please. Hello, welcome aboard. First aisle, please. Excited yan. Yan, babe.
Welcome to Japan, babe. Hello. Japan na kami. Touchdown. Finally. So, kunin lang namin yung mga luggage namin sa baba. Tapos, pick upin namin yung pocket wifi. Pocket wifi para tapos withdraw na rin kami ng yen. Gutom na kami. Pulubo. Mahirap talaga Cebu Pacific. Hindi na walang food na libre 5 hours. 4 hours walang food. Walang snack. Hindi katulad ng Korean Air. Meron.
I like that.
Balikan namin kayo. Babosh.
Kumay pa talaga. Bakit mo makaalis na later? Gutom na, halata pa. Good morning!
Good morning, guys.
Guys, good morning Tokyo.
Day tour namin, second day namin sa Japan ngayon. Yeah, may magmagano tayo, Mount Fuji tour.
Yay!
Yeah. Punta kami sa Tokyo Station. Doon yung meet up. Bale. So 6 AM now right now. Yeah. Maganda yung Japan. Sarap mga food. Yeah, everything.
Okay. Later!
Later. Malapit kami sa tinutuloy ng Airbnb. Maganda. Tapos malapit pa sa OG station.
Sa station. Yun kasi
Oo.
ang dapat. Malapit tayo sa mga station.
Kasi mag-sensor ka. Sige, ano sinasabi mo?
Okay, we're here na po sa OG station. 5 minutes walk.
5 to 6 minutes lang. Southgate.
Tokyo! We're here na sa Tokyo.
Central exit. Dun sa dulo. Try natin. Central exit Marunouchi. Sa Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you. Tokyo. Ganda ng Tokyo, guys. Ang linis. Right.
But that's the
So now we're going to Mount Fuji. Let me check the live right now, if it's visible or not. I'm just gonna say what happens is Mount Fuji is not that visible.
Oh my gosh, yun.
May naipit siguro.
So but this one is Unagi, so it's a hill filtration.
That's the ice cream, yeah. Inside. That's Yutaro, that's our tour.
Usually you can see the pagodas or the building.
Like souvenirs. It's antiques though. Smells good. Yeah.
So, I'll start explaining. I'll explain it back again. So, we're here. As you can see, it's gonna be 100 steps to the first story. The red gate, as I said, bow once you can pass through. There's gonna be a bathroom as well in case you need to go to the bathroom, or you can go to the back ones over there. And then there's gonna be 400 steps to get to the pagoda. Okay. So maybe like around 20 minutes ish, and then or you can take the trail that is on the left side of the stairs, and it still takes around 20 minutes at the same time. So it's up to you guys. Just remember, if you want to go to the clock shop as well, just don't take too much time over there. So good luck. I'll see you in the square. If you have any questions, just let me know. Okay?
Another hiking. Japan.
Vlogger yan.
How many steps?
Huh? Unlimited steps.
Dit was de 100 jaar daar.
Okay, talat. Sabi ka na, ha?
Ano ba yan? Another hiking
Kuya, ika-ika mo. Ako, masama rin.
here in Japan.
Vlogger yan.
Vlogger ya. How many steps, babe? 100?
Unlimited steps.
Oh!
Oh, ano nangyari sa hininga mo? Pagod na yan. Ayos sa maginaw, di ba? Meron pa dun sa taas. Babe.
Oh, sure. Pagod.
Kaya yun.
Shortcut lang tayo.
Hindi, yun talaga.
Yung dinaan natin?
Oo, yun talaga. Wisha Park. Di naman kita yung ano, yung Mount Fuji, pero nasa likod daw yan. Bagsak. Gutom niya. May bridge that we cross.
SM North. We went to BGC a few days.
Doon, ikot tayo doon.
In Japan, chocolate. Ang laki, oh. Ang laki ng apple, oh. Kasi ang laki ng apple.
Kasi may ibang nag-throw ng coin, you know.
Yung mga huli.
Okay, your turn. Para bumata si Jeffrey.
Baho. Muy Jabar. Hindi tayo picture sa ano, dito. Guys, it's a wrap. Yeah. So, malas, hindi nagpakita si Mount Fuji sa amin. Pero overall, okay naman sa amin. Diba?
Yes, yes.
Food, everything, travel, okay naman. So, good. See you later in Tokyo. Bye-bye.
Ito yun, pero...
Hindi pa, ito yung ano. Ayun, babe. Good, sa gitna. Crossing. Ayun, no? We are crossing, guys. Ayun, no? Girl, Shibuya crossing. Babe, dito ka sa gitna. Sorry. Wala, para sa Starbucks. I'm sorry. Shibuya crossing.
Experience na namin.
Tawid tayo ulit. Tapos na. Tingin ka saan video to. We're here. The busiest pedestrian. Konnichiwa.
Our Laboy Day.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Day 3. Ang ano namin ngayon ay is shopping. Mapasulubong sa mga mahal sa buhay.
Wow! Sa mga may pabili.
Mga kabili. Pasabay.
Pasabay.
Pero hindi kami at na-contractor ha.
Hindi po
Ikot-ikot
kami
lang.
magla-live. For pasabay.
Pasabay. Ayan. Siguro mag-uweno kami ngayon. Breakfast muna. Withdraw ng cash. Tapos Ueno, Akihabara. Tapos doon ko hati kung ano pwede mabili. Okay? Balikan namin kayo. Later. Ueno. Ueno.
Shopping ang anak ng mga kontraktor.
Hindi anak.
Hindi pala. Hindi kaya ano lang.
Ano makahanap?
Food trip yarn!
Walang ginawa kundi kumain ng kumain.
Oh, ikaw?
Maglaboy ng
Yeah.
maglaboy.
Kain ka ng
Sa
kain.
shopping naman ito.
Shopping. What?
Anak ng contractor.
Yummy! Shopping lang. Shopping lang siya today. Nothing special. Nothing special. Shibuya. Happy Kid. Sa anime store. Bye, Sumika! Enjoy yan!